Later. What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. What you guys just witnessed is trans number 3 in Haitian's truck. He just got his swap last night and he just drove home. That's all that was about. Let's see how long this one lasts. And no, I didn't have nothing to do with the last one breaking. Alright, so we are back on night. Damn! I'm sorry I gotta keep saying this to you guys, but that turbo looks way bigger on the camera. It really does. Like, I don't even understand why it looks so big. But yeah, so I'm back on George's 32. It runs. It got a radiator now. The clutch works. We need a throttle cable. And I went ahead and installed ADS hydro, because it's all they had left in stock after Black Friday. So let's make some progress on this thing so we can do burnouts. That guy, yeah, I know he was talking shit when he working on some shit like this. Look what he working on. Brother doing an engine swap on the S10. Nah, that's for the body guy, so we had to plug him. So body guy got a new motor. He up and running. 2.2 liter, ready to go. So in this video here, we'll just be updating again on all the cars for Clutch Kickers. Today is actually Wednesday. We leave Friday. We making progress though. So Haitian hot boy car done made it to paint. Bomb! And it got painted. Look at this thing, shiny, shiny. Ross Buddy and Ross Paint done handle it. Damn. I feel like they paint better than me, man. Well, I mean, they professionals. I'm unprofessional. But yeah, Haitian car's looking really good. We got the jams done. Got some color on there. We just got to get this kit. Hopefully this kit should get painted tomorrow. So this thing could be nice and clean. And it should be at Clutch Kickers. So Haitian should be bringing 2 cars since his truck work. He should be bringing this car and his IS. I'll have the G. George will have his 32. Spec will drive Joey's car. Cookie will drive his car, and then we got this Steven guy that's just been hanging around. So maybe he'll be with us, or maybe not. Right, Steven? Update time, chicken. We ordering chicken. George's car's starting to look like something kind of complete. It needs a dumb tube. Heater. I told him he wasn't getting exhaust, but he's gonna get an exhaust. And then the compressor kicks on, obviously. You gotta fit his fenders. It's gonna move off of this lift to that lift, and we're gonna make an exhaust tonight. We're gonna fit his fenders and paint it. By the way, it's Thursday and we leave tomorrow. You know, nothing new. On another note, you know, the G's looking good. Looking pretty good. It ain't completed. I got my lip on, you know, put a little paint on there. Gotta change the wheels. It's looking awfully shiny. Only downside is this damn A-pillar that I can't find anywhere. So it is what it is. But all George wiring is done. Gauges is in. You probably just need a seat belt. I'll do some testing tomorrow and stuff. We'll see what happening. Oh yeah, and his steering wheel. So Nick gonna go ahead and move it to the other lift, and we're gonna make some exhaust. So we're gonna get to that now. I'll do some documenting. I didn't really want to document me doing wiring on the car because that shit's boring anyway. So all right, let's get to his exhaust and fit in his fender, and that's gonna get paint. Oh yeah, and I forgot, my wheels are back from powder coat. They're looking awfully white. My brother went ahead and polished the lips, so we got to put that together tonight. It's already 9 o'clock. We didn't eat yet, so we're gonna eat, do exhaust, put wheels together. Pretty much means I'm not gonna sleep. And that boy's kid still gotta go on his car, and we're gonna add his catch can. Got a lot to do, but nothing new. We'll get it done. So back to this exhaust I was telling you about. This was the exhaust when the car had VQ in it. That's my friend Saul. We're gonna chop this up and get this to fit on there. This thingy here kind of low, but we're gonna have to make do for now. I ain't redoing no downpipe, George. It's high enough. Look at that. You can't see it. Now you can. So we're gonna make it fit to that. So I'm gonna get to chopping. Not too excited. Alright, you know how it goes. Couple YouTubes a minute later. Actually, it really didn't take me that long. It probably took me about 10 minutes to set this up. I don't know how y'all seeing this. If y'all see me good or not. They see me good, Nick?
See me good?
Is the camera in a good position?
Yeah, they see you good.
Alright, cool. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what I did real quick. So I took that old exhaust on the floor. I got a V-band and I made a major cut. Ignore the welds, it's late night. And it's just a drift car, so I'm using the MIG. I had to add a little piece right there. A couple angle cuts right there to get that to line up, and boom, we got exhaust. I'm gonna drop it down real quick. I'm gonna fire some weld that up, and George got an exhaust. So now George, the sound can come out the back of the car, okay? All right, no more bow, bow, bow. It's gonna be ba-da-da-da-dow. Well, we have an exhaust, but Nick's taking the car apart. Nick, why are you taking the car apart, man? We're supposed to be putting it together.
Because you didn't finish doing what you had to do.
Oh, fuck, bro. Oh, shit. Niggas be saying shit like that on camera?
What you want me to say?
That's what happened.
Somebody else showed back up for the late night party. Trying to get his thing to look as good as that one over there.
The real HDK, man,
He getting his headlights on, he gonna get the grill on. He ain't got no bumper because unfortunately we had some bad luck with the weather. The paint fog out. So now I'm gonna have to wake up real early and repaint stuff. George, you ready to go? So George ready to go. Haitian ain't ready. He ain't got no bumper, no side skirts. He ain't got no seat. Bro, how you gonna make it? But he got his headlights on his grill though.
home lotioning himself right now.
It's like
We're getting
probably getting lotion at home.
You got the shower with light
Oh
skin
shit! Y'all see this, man? I gotta wake up and paint before we even leave tomorrow. This is my side skirt. Struggle real. What time is it? 2?
Yeah.
2 a.m.?
2 a.m.
Normal. Yeah, the struggle real. I guess I'm not sleeping.
My wife's gonna kill me.
You who?
No, I ain't got no wife.
You got no wife.
You got that fitment though.
Not in the front.
Oh, we still didn't even fit these. Damn. George, I guess you going no kit, bro. Don't do them like that. Damn. Oh yeah, show him how it came out, man. Show him how it came out. Damn, that thing dusty. Ooh.
You fucking that
What you doing?
shit? Fucking that shit up.
Are they tight?
Just don't tighten them. Oh yeah, I gotta let y'all hear how quiet this thing is with a Pexi exhaust. So let me start it first, bruh. I am freezing off. It's cold. Sounds like it got a cam in that bad boy, but we all know it don't. That's just that cold start. Ooh, let's get them Skyline Zeros going. Hold on. Ooh, look at them things. It's been a while since we've seen that, but well, time to get some panels on this bad boy and do a little street tune. Some donuts or something. Of course, we would put a car together and take it straight to the track to test it out. Normal protocol here. At least you got marker lights or whatever, parking lights. Alright, so I didn't get done till about 4, so I went ahead and just, head home and got some sleep. Now I'm back. It's like 7:30. I'm gonna go ahead and try to paint George's stuff real quick because we leave tonight. So I think we have enough time that if I paint his fenders, it'll dry. We can put it in his car, and at least it'll be one color and not be gray and red. But I did fit the kit last night. Let me show y'all how it looked, and then I'll pull it off and go paint it. Alright, so this is how the kit fit. I shouldn't say kit, the fenders fit. The rear fender and the front fenders, making it a car again. We'll just get all 4 of those, paint it up in red. It's not gonna match because this red on this car is actually a little bit different and it's old, but at least he won't be out there looking two-toned, like every other drift car that we know. And yeah, he got another headlight to put on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get those off, get it in the paint bay and paint them real quick. And oh yeah, I still gotta repaint or the side skirts of my car. So if I can get his fenders done, I'll go ahead and knock out my side skirts, Haitian side skirts, and his bumper, because they all got painted yesterday, but the same thing happened. So what happened was it was too cold, so the clear coat kind of like fogged out, which really sucks. But other than that, I mean, we're good to go. Mount some tires, load the trailers, and head out. So that'll be it, because I want to go ahead and get all the all this stuff done. So that's enough vlogging for today. Next video, you guys will see us heading out and the final look of the car, and heading out to Klutch Kickers, and maybe some of the drifting. I'll make it all one. I just don't want to make it one long video, but we'll see what happens. Till next time, I see you guys. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and make sure you guys comment. Like, for real, comment helps. Sharing the video helps. Liking the video helps. Everything helps. So see you guys later.